Hello friend, welcome back to Mentor's Mood. In this video we are going to see what is vitamin C, why vitamin C is needed for us, and comparison chart that which food has more vitamin C. So vitamin C is also called a ascorbic acid. It is a water soluble vitamin. Our body cannot make it, so we must get it from food, fruits and vegetables. Why vitamin C is needed? First, it helps your body fight infections and viruses. So we can say that vitamin C boosts our immunity by supporting our white blood cells in our body. Secondly, vitamin C makes collagen, which is protein needed for skins, gums, blood vessels and bones. Thirdly, it absorbs iron from the food to prevent anemia. Suppose if you eat spinach or dal, then vitamin C will help you to absorb the iron better to prevent anemia and tiredness. Fourth, vitamin C fights free radical that damage your cell. Okay, so vitamin C will act as anti-aging. Fifth, it repair tissue and help cuts and wounds heal faster. Okay, now here is a comparison chart per 100 gram that which food has more vitamin. Many of us think that oranges have more vitamin, but this is not correct. Here you can see the rose hip has 426 mg of vitamin C. It is highest amount. Sweet pepper has 183 mg. Black currant has 181 mg. Red chili has 143 mg. It is 3 times more than oranges. Parsley has 133 mg. Kiwi has 93 mg. Papaya has 61 mg. Strawberry has 59 mg of vitamin C, and orange has only 53 mg. Okay, after that broccoli have 51 mg. So this means that chili has almost 3 times more vitamin C than orange, and rose hip has 7 times more vitamin C than orange. Okay, so guys, here is one pro tip. Vitamin C is easily destroyed by heat, light and air, so do not overcook this vegetable. Eat them raw, lightly steamed, and so it will keep the vitamin C safe in fruit and food. So eat colorful fruits and vegetables.